How can you use the crystals on yourself? We will start with that. And I will show you. Let us start again with the clearing of the crystal. Remember, breath, rotate, next one, breath, and it's clear. Once the crystal is clear, it is emptied of all unwanted charges. We now charge. Remember, rotate in one's hand. And just stop when you feel comfortable. You hold this finger so that it is on this face, not covering over. Put one finger here and adjust the crystal length. Watch. So that this tip is facing into the palm. Do you see? Well, you're working with that, it's fine. All right. Now, you hold it with these fingers, this tip is here, and this keeps the pivot or the balance. Breathe in. Focus your mind on the crystal, create an image of the crystal, and just release your breath. Try it again. Now, let us test the crystal. All of you can test by taking now, rub the crystal this way. You'll find it sticks. Draw your breath. Become smooth. Let the breath out, and it sticks. How can you treat yourself with the crystal? You do it in the following way. You hold one tip with the left hand, the other tip with the right hand. You align the one face up so you can look directly onto it. Take a deep breath. Let your breath out through the nostrils. Rotate the other face. Another deep breath. Let the face out. Rotate it to the opposite direction. So you watch, I've gone from this way around to the opposite direction. Take another deep breath. Let the breath out. Rotate to the next pair of faces. This gives a movement of charge. This builds a balancing of the force within the body. The start of body balancing. Now, hold the crystal this way. Look at it. Take a deep breath. Close one's eyes. See the tip of the pyramid with one's eyes closed, and slowly let one's breath out. Hold the image of the crystal, and now, through the crystal, draw your breath in, and go from the crystal into the area in your body that needs to be treated. Visualize it. You will find your hand will start to oscillate. Bring your other hand up so it faces the crystal. Now, see that which needs to be done. If there is a block, just mentally break the block up, either repressed emotion, anger, a pain of an arthritic condition, And now you breathe in, bring in light, bring in clear, white light, release it through the crystal into that area. Breathe in again. Release it lovingly, slowly. And you will feel your body begin to vibrate and balance. If you notice, my left and right hand are synchronizing together. And you just keep the pulsing of your hands. Now breathe in, release, close your hand, and break. Charge by rolling in our hand. Take a deep breath and release your breath into the crystal. Now, focus the crystal on your opposite hand, no matter what you have, be it natural or synthetic. Oh, I'm sorry, natural. All right. Rotate the crystal until you can feel the field, and just hold it there. Move your other hand back and forth to identify the locale of the field, up and down, sideways. See, I'm not feeling anything yet. Now I just change the angle. Now I feel it. Small angle. Move your hand back and forth and you will experience. Now, move it up and down. And just practice. This is one of the primary practicing tools. Draw your breath in and feel the effect, and let your breath out. See if there's a change in intensity between breath in and breath out. Close your eyes. Take another deep breath and visualize the field between your hand and the crystal, and let your breath out and observe what the field looks like. Now open your eyes and go in a circular motion, right-handed circular motion. Become conscious of the forces that you begin to feel. Move the hand back 1.5 feet. Feel the tips of the fingers now being acted on. Move it in closer and closer until you feel either it gets weaker, and there it's gone. Bring it back again, and feel the charges as they act on the hands. Now go back to the up and down motion. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and go into the crystal with your breath. Now look at an area of the body that needs to be treated or healed. Keep the up and down motion. Visualize what you need to do. Go back to a circular motion. Draw your breath in. Increase the speed and release the breath and pump it out. This is another technique for self-healing. Last time I showed you with this way. Now we're dealing with a stronger field. It's a preamble to working on a person.